friends, today I will telling you how to write 10 lines on myself. So let's start it.
So the first line is my name is Dash. Friend, what is your name? You will write in your copies. So the second line is I am a Dash. Friends, who are you? You are a girl or boy. You will write anything. You are a girl or boy. Okay? So the third line is I am dash years old. Friends, how many years are old you? You will write like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, anything. Okay? So the fourth line is I live in dash. Where even you live, you will write that city or town. Okay, friends? So the fifth line is my school name is dash. Friends, what is your school name? Write in your copies. So the sixth line is I studied in class dash. Friends, you will write your class. What is your class? And section also. Okay, friends? So the seventh line is my favorite subject is dash. Friends, you will write your favorite subject. What is your favorite subject? You will write like English, Hindi, Maths, CVS. Okay, what is your favorite subject? You will write. Okay? So the eighth line is my hobby is dash. Friends, what is your hobby? You will write. Okay? So the ninth line is I have many friends at school. Okay, friends? So the 10th line is I want to become a dash. Friends like doctor, teacher, IAS officer. Okay? You will write anything.
So friends, how is it my video today? So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye.